Hello everyone, today I'm going to open and build this LEGO Speed Champions, the Scuderia Ferrari SF16-H. So this is my last Speed Champions of this size, so I can't wait to open and build this F1. So without further ado, let's just open up and start building. And I have finished building this Scuderia Ferrari SF16H. It was a fun build. Unfortunately, the stickers aren't that fun. But anyway, let's take a look at the side build before we take a look at the Formula One car. This side build is actually pretty cool in my opinion. Unfortunately, there's some stickers on here that is, again, pretty difficult to apply because it's pretty long. And also, the set has been quite old and I haven't opened for that long. The sticker kind of, in a way, or maybe age a little bit. But anyway, on the other side, you can see there's some really cool stickers, which we're gonna zoom in just a little bit more. You can see it's a representing a screen of the circuit, and the other pretty cool thing is that the keyboard tile for this one actually have the alphabet on the keyboard instead of the recent more simplified one. And now we have the car over here. Compared to the recent F1 Speed Champions, this one looks a lot more simpler because it's a 6 wide. But I think in terms of proportion, this size actually represent a Formula One car better in terms of the length. Of course, the width is still a little bit narrow, but because of the length, right, the ratio kind of looks all good. The problem with this set is really some of the stickers is so hard to apply because you can see here it's like one by one tile, and this one is a little bit narrower on this side, and the hardest one is probably this one. You can see I kind of messed it up already. Otherwise, the build is pretty fun. I think the stickers kind of add the characters to the car itself, but it's just really hard to apply. And here's a better look from another angle, and you can see the steering wheel. They used the standard Lego steering wheel instead of the more recent Speed Champions having a specific printed steering wheel based on a game controller. Now you do have the option to switch number 5 car to number 7, and if you want to switch to number 7, they give you the black driver helmet instead of the default white one. And finally, we have the mini figure. It's an unnamed figure, but it has a very detailed printed torso and also a leg printing to make this driver wearing the full suit and got printing at the back as well. In general, the Speed Champions set mini figure in any race car tends to get a very detailed print on torso, and this is actually an excellent mini figure. And that's it for the LEGO Speed Champions Scuderia Ferrari SF16H. This is actually my last Speed Champions of this size. I do have more 6Y in a bigger set with other build rather than just the car. I'm not sure when I'm gonna build those, but in terms of the smaller set, this is my last one. And I did enjoy the build except for applying the stickers, and I think it's very nice to have a pretty cool side build that could just place anywhere um, at, as part of your circuit, plus an excellent mini figure. In the end, I quite like the set except for the sticker application. And there's no doubt this is an excellent set. And definitely, we recommend to everyone if you can get your hands onto one without paying ridiculous price. But anyway, let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.